In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to create an unbranded version, or basically an unbranded video player for your YouTube video using the software YT Simple Player. And I'm going to go through this really quick because I just want to show you how to do it, so you're not wasting time and fiddling around the features and stuff like that. It's really simple to do. It's really quick. So all you really have to do is start up the software, and then you can just click this YouTube button to go to YouTube if you want. But I already found a video here. I'm just going to test out. It's not my video, I just found it on YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead, and all you need to do is just grab this link at the top there, right click and copy. So you just need to grab the link in your website browser address bar and take that link and just paste it into the link where it says YouTube video web link, this little text box there. And all you really have to do from here is just click the go button, and you simply take this code and you paste it into your WordPress blog, or you can paste it into any web page you want the actual player to play in. If you want to preview it right away, you can click this little preview button, and what it does, it will open up this video player in your default web browser. My default web browser is Firefox, so I'm going to go ahead and click this, and you're going to see the video show up here. And it should start playing in just a second. So if I can click it to stop. But as you can see, there's no branding on the video player whatsoever for YouTube. So there's no links going back to YouTube or nothing like that. And I have a fully working player with just a video. Click to play. There's no, you don't see the controls or nothing. So this is very valuable if you don't want to lose your traffic to YouTube, or you really want to get your audience focused in on your video because they can't really see how long it is and things like that. Conversions are usually a little better depending on what you're doing, but this software gives you the ability to strip out all that unbranded stuff, or sorry, all that stuff that you want on there, so you get your video unbranded. So it's really simple. That's all you really have to do. If you want to change the size, we do have a bunch of little presets. You just select the preset you want. If you want widescreen or you want standard size, just select what you want in here. And then like the default is 640 by 360. You can also change custom if you want. Just hit custom. And if you leave the maintain aspect ratio for whatever corresponding one you want, like the widescreen or standard, when you change this, for example, like you wanted it to be, let's say 500 pixels to fit your certain template, your web template, if you just put 500, you'll notice that right away in this little box, the height is automatically calculated for you in terms of the widescreen. So if you actually went to standard, you'll notice that it will update again for the standard size. So it does it automatically for you, so you don't have to fumble around keeping the aspect ratio correct. Now if you don't like this aspect ratio and you have a different type of ratio of some sort, that's fine. You can just uncheck this, and then you can do whatever you want. So it can be, like 800 by 100, like something just totally out there, just different. And you can do that, and you can preview it, and it's going to look really funny. It's not even going to come up here. Like, you can see how funny it looks. Like 800 by 100 doesn't really make sense, but you can see that it works. So you kind of do whatever you want, but I suggest obviously using the maintain aspect ratio to make it look nicer, or use a preset which is fast. That's basically it. That's all you really have to do. And like I said, you just take this code and you just copy it into a page. For example, let me show you real quickly. All you gotta do is just click the copy button. I'll copy the code. And I have Dreamweaver here, and use whatever website editor you're used to using. And you just go into your source code here, and I'll just plug it in right here. Delete that, and right click and paste. And that's the code. You simply save your file, and then you upload it. Now I can see right here that I don't want that particular dimensions, 800 by 450. So I'm just going to go with that one here. Click go again, and copy. Let's go back to my file real quickly, and I'll just paste that back in there. Then I'll save it. I'll go ahead and upload that, and I'll just upload it to one of my websites using the free Coffee Cup FTP program. You can get that at coffeecup.com, or just search for Google Coffee Cup free FTP. This is that file I just created there. It's called video.html. I'm just going to throw it up on my appread.com website. Then we can go ahead and take a look at that file. So if I go to appread.com/video.html, you see that file we just uploaded. Oops. Looks like I entered that domain in wrong. I forgot the D in that breed. Let's try that. Okay, here we go. And you see it works just perfectly here on the web page. And if you want to put it into a blog, it's just as easy. I'm not sure if it'll work with every single blog configuration, like all your plugins and themes and all that kind of stuff. I haven't tested it that much yet, but it will work. I have a blog here. Doesn't have much in it, it's just a testing blog. If I go to add new post here, what you want to do is you want to click the HTML. So let's just do test post, and you click HTML and you want to put the code in here. So let's go get that code from the software. If I can bring it up again, just copy the code and right click and paste that code here. Click publish, and if we go back to our main site here, and we can see the video is working just fine. Totally unbranded, so you can see that it does work within a WordPress blog as well. Alright, that's it for this video. I just want to quickly show you how to use the software to get a player going on your site or blog very quickly.